This is Tim with uDentiFix Paintless Dent Repair. This vehicle was dropped off this morning by a gentleman. Not sure exactly how this dent happened. It did not crack the paint or chip the paint in any way. After discussing for a few minutes the different options that he has, he definitely wanted to have the paintless dent repair done and not have to take it to a body shop. So he agreed to drop it off for a couple of hours and let us work our magic. As you can see, there is no more damage. The factory original paint was kept intact. This was just 2.5 hours later. So no grinding, no filler, no paint, no insurance claim, no deductible to mess with, and no body shop. Customer came back, picked the car up, and was very, very pleased. So visit us at uDentiFix.com for door dings, big dents, or hail damage.